Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video, and this time it's a little bit of a how-to. Everybody knows I have a 2011 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and they stopped making them in 2012. And in my hand here is the inner passenger side door handle. And the reason why I had to buy a brand new one, just like my other video, I made that one in 2017, the driver's side kept breaking after every 60-some thousand miles, so I kept replacing it. The car now has 136,000 miles on her and still running strong. Right now it's actually outside warming up. Well, we got to replace the passenger side now. This is what it looks like when you order a brand new one. You can get it from Mitsubishi, but I got this one off of Amazon for $18.50, I think it was, plus tax. So whatever that is, like 20 bucks or so. So it's not too bad. Well, let's go ahead and put this on. So we're going to go ahead and walk outside here, just like my other video. And it's a crappy day out, just like the other time. So we're going to go ahead and walk downstairs. There she is in her glory. She's getting old, guys. Getting really old. So let's go ahead, open up the door. All right, I'm gonna get down in here like this. All right, now what I'm gonna do is, here's what happens. Breaks right off. So I just pushed it back on there for looks. So right now I'm going to grab some tools. I had to watch my previous video, which is funny, to remember the tool size I needed. And it's the 10mm deep well socket and a pair of needle nose pliers. And the reason why you need these needle nose pliers is to hold the plastic like so, in case it spins. You know, they break differently. So we're going to go ahead and take this apart. Grab a hold of this. And we're going to go ahead and take this junk off. Now this is the original handle from 2011. So yeah, I mean, plastic don't last that long anyways, but this didn't do too bad for 11 years. This car has been a really good car to me, and just little odds and ends it needs. So we're going to go ahead and take that screw out, throw the plastic piece away. Then it doesn't look like I need these pliers for this one, because there's a lot of plastic here to grab a hold of. I just can't believe this thing broke. Come on, get out of there. And you see how you need the long deep well socket for this one. We'll throw that piece in there too. And see, there's a little piece right here that fell off and busted off here too. We gotta get that out of there. I think that's when the needle nose comes into play too. So let's get back out of the car here and try to find everything. There it is. And we'll go ahead and pull that out of there. Boy, that baby's in there. Huh. Let me see on the original, or the replacement. Yeah, it's just a... Yeah, it's just a little thing right there. Yeah, we're going to get that out of there somehow. Pull that there, put these here. Jeez, that baby's on there. Oh, let me pause this real quick. Alright, that piece just pushed in. I tried to grab it, but it fell down inside the door. Oh well. Okay, so now we got to put this on. And you can tell if you got the right piece because of these little knobs here that sticks out. It has to go in these little baby holes. So I'm just going to set this in there like so. Like that. It pops right into place and holds itself. And then start getting the screws. I'm going to take it off of the wrench actually here and feed this one in and do it by hand like this. And you don't want to put this on too tight because you might break the plastic. They were on there pretty snug though. Yeah, I wanted to wait for a nicer day to do this. So we'll go ahead now and just lightly tighten that up. Hardly any force whatsoever. Just like that. Alright. No more tools needed. So you gotta take this, and it just clips on. And there you go. Brand new door handle. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll talk to you later.